loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be recording right now. Like, when I do not record videos and I'm not posting videos, I get so like depressed.
Cause y'all ain't ready for this.
So the hair that I'm reviewing today is the Dashley Lace Unit 8 in the color Money Piece Gold. This is a sensational wig, and let me tell y'all, Sensational is hands down my favorite, my absolute favorite synthetic wig company. Like, Sensational has the best synthetic wigs in my opinion. This is my honest true opinion. I pay for all my Sensational wigs with my own coin. This is Lace Unit 8 in the color Money Piece Gold. This is what the wig looks like on the mannequin. This is what the wig looks like on the model. And I love it. Like, I'm just gonna start off with saying I love it. This color is so pretty. Usually when I do blonde hair, I go like all the way blonde, like 613 blonde. This is the first time that I've done like a more warm blonde, like honey golden blonde, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. I ordered this wig off of Ebonyline.com, and it was around 20 something dollars. I know it was in the 20s. I'll put the exact price somewhere on the screen or whatever. But yeah, this is a very affordable wig, and it's very pretty. I'm gonna read to you the product details real quick. It says ear-to-ear soft lace, an essential addition to your wig stash, made with heat-resistant fiber, which means that it can be flat ironed. I did do a review on another Dashley collection wig, the Lace Unit 7, I believe, and I flat ironed it. It took the heat very well, so I'm pretty sure flat ironing this wig would be no problem for anybody. Even though the only time I flat iron my wigs, my synthetic wigs, is when it starts to look, you know, a little old. So flat iron it, whatever, and boom, back to life. Okay, yeah, it says available in fashion forward colors. This wig does come in a variety of colors. I'll leave the link in the description box and see what other colors that they have. And it says dress it up or dress it down. It came with baby hairs. I didn't really do much with the baby hairs except for this little swoop. And yeah, I didn't go too crazy on the baby hairs this time. A deep center part. So the part is pretty deep, which I love because it makes the wig look more natural. I didn't put any concealer on the part. I think I'm going to, but I don't think it's completely necessary. So I did just wear this wig outside, and it is very windy outside right now. And it tangled a little bit, not too crazy. Like, we're getting a little tangles on this side. Nothing too crazy. Let me brush it. So yeah, the brush runs straight through it. The bottom is where I'm getting a little bit of tangles at, but it's nothing too crazy. And of course, it's synthetic hair. It's gonna tangle. And I keep trying to get people to understand, like, I hate when I see people do reviews on a synthetic wig and they be like, oh, it tangles too much. It's a synthetic wig. It's going to tangle. As long as it's not like unbearably tangled, then it's good. It's not shedding at all. I'm not getting not even a strand of shedding, which is lovely, because that's what bothers me more than tangles. Shedding, I can't deal with shedding. So the wig cap comes with 2 combs on each side and 1 in the back. It comes with the adjustable straps, and I adjust my straps all the way to the end. I like my wig to be snug and secure. The wig comes in this box, or plastic, whatever you want to call it. The wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. And it's really pretty. I love the curls. Anybody that wears wigs, you need this in your collection. If you don't wear wigs, this needs to be the first wig in your collection. So let me tell y'all, I decided to try this olive oil grip gel. This is the extra hold one. And extra hold, okay? This is the extra hold one. I got this in the beauty supply store. It was $6.99. It was horrible. But I seen somebody review this on YouTube and they gave it a pretty good review, so I'm like, hey, let me try it out. Not this wig, but I applied my wig one night and I went out to a game night, and let me tell y'all, by the time the night was over, the wig was like, it's time to go. Like, the wig was like, let's get out of here. The hold was horrible. Like, I do not recommend this at all. Do not waste your coins. Stick with the got to be. I will never betray got to be ever again, okay? Because this is what I've been laying my wigs with for forever, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review, and I will see you guys in the next video.